everyone. Hope you had a great summer. While you've been away, we've been really busy too. Hi, Rowdy. You want a lift? Come on in. Oh, wow, Rowdy, spatial awareness. Rowdy, are you still taking selfies? So this is where you're going to go down into the student union, and there's going to be grass and trees there where people can hang out. And look at all these beautiful plants. Over here we've got lot 4. This is the road down to Raider Row. And this is where Raider Row is going to be. This is going to be fantastic. Lots of shops. You've got Chic-fil-a, and I know as a wolf you do love chicken. Yeah? When you're coming out of these parking lots, it's going to be so much easier to get out now that we have the roundabout. There'll be no stopping and starting and trying to figure out who goes next. It's going to be fantastic. I'm looking forward to all of this being finished. I can't wait for everybody to be back on campus. Are you ready? Are you excited? Yes! It's going to be so much fun. No, I don't think you should be driving. I don't think you should be. I think I drive and you wait. Oh, Rowdy, that was all your fault. So lucky you're so cute.